Hello, you are watching TorqueKingTV. I'm Matt, your product highlight video host. Today I am showcasing the QU11000 range shift sleeve for all Dodge 271D manual shift and NV273D electric shift transfer cases in 2003 to early 2012 Ram 2500 and Ram 3500 trucks and 2008 to early 2012 Ram 4500 and Ram 5500 4x4 trucks. The QU11000 also fits 2004 to 2005 Ford Excursions and 2004 to 2010 F-250s, 350s, 450s, and 550 4x4 trucks with either new process, new venture NV271F manual shift transfer cases or NV273F electric shift transfer cases. Range shift sleeves typically will wear in two places, on the leading edges of the clutch teeth and inside the fork groove. Wear of the clutch teeth is from forcing the unit into high or low range. Wear inside the fork groove is usually from direct contact with the fork after the shift pads get worn away. For more tech notes and applications, as well as where to purchase for your own rig, visit our website at TorqueKing.com. Hey friends, we sure appreciate you watching these videos. Check us out on the web by clicking the links down below in the description and do the right thing. Give us a like, subscribe, and comment on what you saw, or even let us know if there's a product you want to see. Then hit the notification bell so you don't miss it when it comes up. We are working hard to give you good information here at Torque King. Thanks for watching, and until next time, good luck keeping your rig on the road.